Shahrukh film.
Yeah.
So will you be?
Of course, why not? So what's the difference? If it's nice script, nice movie, and somebody asks you to do the job, it doesn't matter who is actually main hero and what it's all about. I'm not looking at the big names, to be honest. If it's nice concept and it's interesting to work. My concept actually of the life, I think we're just living once here, yeah? And you cannot buy your lifetime. You cannot. It's an invaluable kind of thing, matter. My experience in media industry composing for TV and films, most of the time we emphasize the body language and the action there. And I don't know, surprisingly well, actually, the director says, it's how you know where you do that punctuations on dialogue. I said, I just feel it emotionally, something gonna happen, so then I'm doing something gonna happen. Is it, she felt, it's felt, that's obvious there. And of course, but some of the punctuations I have to know. Yeah. He was translating me.
So will the music have a Hindi flavor as well?
A slight Indian flavor. Let's say like we have some scenes on the balconies. The guys watching how the girls playing tennis. That was it's very ordinary track. Let's say Western sounding orchestration with some tabla integrated there. Yeah, and they very actually fit to each other perfectly. Really, really well. Some pan flutes, I have some bansur playing there as well. Just subtle elements, because I would like to do something there. Not actually, I was doing survey before I start this project.
I think it's not Russia.
We have worked with him in a couple of projects earlier in Dubai, and we were quite impressed with his orchestration, since it was our first production and we wanted to do some good job in a different content-wise. And we were thinking to match to the concept, and we found him the right person to give a right kind of music to this. Generally people here, I think they are very good and great, but we thought in our sensibility and the subject we are dealing with, he's the right person to do it. And
something about Sadada, what